Hi, myself Avichal Verma, and I have just received this official merchandise box from Movsta. So this will be the unboxing video for it. So let's jump right into it.
Okay. So you can see here it is the Movsta box, a symbol of dreams, missions, and a shared vision.
This represents the dream coming true, a journey that began with curiosity and it's now taking me all the way to Russia to experience space science up close. The first thing inside this box is a welcome note. Let me read it aloud. Dear Hemant Ganesh Yellappu, we at Movsta are thrilled to unveil the 4th edition of International Space Camp. Each piece in this collection has been crafted with unwavering care and devotion, dedicated to our ever-growing family of Movstronauts. It would be a great honor and joy to host you this June, which marks a special milestone in our journey as we cross 50 delegates in Moscow. Thank you, Movsta.
My own astronaut suit photo. It's sure to see myself this way. It's looking very impressive and proudful.
Avichal Verma, Movstronaut. They have my image as a Movstronaut here, and then behind is Group Captain Shumanshu Shukla, which is going to be the first Indian astronauts to visit the International Space Station as part of Axiom Mission 4. This is amazing.
And they have also given us a book and a pen. And these two are really important according to me. So I'll be using this throughout the camp to note down my ideas, questions and reflections. I can already imagine filling these pages with once in a lifetime experience.
Stickers, ID badge, and the school lanyard proudly marked moving status since 2021.
Okay, so we found the t-shirt, which is a very good material, I guess. And this is an amazing merchandise. I'm very excited to wear this in the camp. And it says ISC 25 behind. And yeah, you can see this. This is great.
And it is a made in India t-shirt. I'm very proud to be a part of this Movsta team and ISC 25 camp.
And lastly, I would like to say, from unboxing dreams to stepping into legacy ISC 25, here we come. Let's ignite the future together. Thank you to all